All right, Ms. Lohan, you have a right to have a preliminary hearing within 10 days of today's date. That would be 2/25/2011. Your attorney wants to set the case in this courtroom back here on February 23rd to try to settle the case if it's possible. So I'm going to ask you, do you waive and give up your rights under the 10 and 60-day rule and agree to continue this till 2/23/2011, Department 144 at 8:30 a.m. That'll be 0 of 10 court days. Is that acceptable to you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel joined?
I do.
Ms. Myers, people have any objection?
No, that's fine, Your
And I
Honor.
will order an EDP report, so I'll need a probation packet, please. All right, now the people want to be heard on bail in this case.
Your Honor, the standard bail on this case is $20,000. I don't see any reason to deviate from that $20,000. The people would also be asking the court to revoke the probation in the misdemeanor case and set bail at $20,000 in that particular case. I don't know if the court has the file, but the court should know that on October the 16th of 2009, Judge Marcia Revelle extended probation in this case a year, and the probation date of completion or expiration date is August the 11th of 2011. So we're still within the period. So we're going to ask the court to revoke the probation based upon the new filing in this case and set a hearing. And the hearing I'm assuming it can just follow, the probation violation can follow the new case.
Okay, you want to be heard?
I'd just like to indicate on the record that I did speak this morning with Ms. Parker, who is Ms. Lohan's probation officer, and she indicated to me that Ms. Lohan has otherwise been in compliance with all conditions of her probation. She's met regularly, she's had only clean tests, and has been a good probationer. But I certainly understand the reason that Ms. Myers is asking for probation to be revoked at this time.
Well, a good probationer doesn't pick up a new case.
All right. Thank you. All right, we'll order an EDP report for that date. On the open case, Ms. Lohan will be remanded, bail set at $20,000. On the probation violation case, which is case number 7BV01538, probation will also be revoked based on the new case that's been filed. The bail laws condition appears to have been violated, which is SA076679. Defendant will be remanded on that. People are asking for $20,000. I'll set bail at $20,000. Probation violation hearing will be continued to this courtroom, 144, on the date of 2/23/2011. All right, Ms. Lohan, let me just tell you a couple things so we have no misunderstandings, all right? I'm trying to put this as polite as possible because of all of the media interest here, but you need to understand, I've talked to your attorney and the DA's in chambers, and Ms. Chapman-Hawley can explain to you what I'm telling you if you don't understand everything that I'm going to say, but I'm going to say it in a polite version. You're in a different situation now that a felony has been filed against you. And although the people have been courteous in this court's opinion in only requesting $20,000 in the probation violation, you now have a pending felony case. So in the interim, while this case is percolating till a resolution is reached, if you violate the law, I will remand you and set no bail. And your attorney won't be as successful this time on the habeas petition that they ran before, because a felony is a different situation and you're not entitled to bail. So what I'm telling you is you need to follow the laws just like everybody else. Look around this room. Everyone in this room has to follow the law. The court, the DA, your attorney, the sheriff's deputies, everybody. You're no different than anyone else. So please, don't push your luck, because I'm telling you, well, your attorney can tell you what I said, but I'm telling you things will be different. Do you understand what I'm telling you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Your Honor, I have one other concern.
Yes, please.
I would ask that as a condition, if Ms. Lohan makes bail, to stay away from the victims in this case, that store. It's my understanding that subsequent to this happening, the store received some flowers, which caused the victim in this case to be somewhat alarmed. So I would ask the court that she, her agents, or whoever stay away from the victims at this point in time.
All right. Ms. Lohan, you and your agents, other than your attorney or investigator on their behalf, certainly they can contact them, but you or your agents can't have any contact with Kamafi, if I'm pronouncing that correctly, and company, and Sophie Kamen. So you're not to go to that location or have any further contact with them during the pendency of this proceedings. Do you understand that, please?
Yes, I do.
Okay, Ms. Lohan, is going to be remanded and into the custody of the Sheriff's Department until bail is posted, and if the bailiffs will be so kind as just take her back, and anything else that happens can happen behind that door. Is that okay, Jackson?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, please follow the...
Your Honor,
Yeah,
just
please.
the bail bondsman is here now.
Okay, well, she's going to have to go into custody, and the
Okay.
normal procedures have to be followed.
Thank you.
Okay, Ms. Lohan, just follow the Sheriff's Department. Thank you.